Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make afrobeats in FL Studio for wizkid. First, I'll start with the chords from the sctuts MIDI chord pack. Now, when making afrobeats, a common choice of sound for the chord progressions are electric pianos, grand pianos, acoustic guitars, jazz guitars, bells, and even some synthesizers, but soft sounding synthesizers. So in these beats, in this production, I'll be using an electric piano. Now we have some nice sounding chords. I'm going to play a simple counter melody to give the chord progression more rhythm. Now, the common choice of sound for counter melodies in making afrobeats is grand pianos, electric pianos, bells, guitars, and some synths. Now, it's still kind of the same thing with playing chords, all right? So you can even use some wind instrument like flutes, all right, to make your counter melodies. Now it's time to get to the drums, and when making the drums, it's always best to start gradually and then build up and layer some sounds from there. I'll start with a kick and rim shot pattern, then add some percussions and also a shaker loop to give it more groove. Okay, now back to more melodies, all right? So wizkid typically has some guitars in his Afrobeat, and I'm using this plugin called Semi-Hollow Guitar by Ample Sounds, all right, for that smooth guitar melody for this production. All right, so remember we have played a counter melody earlier, right? Now in Afrobeats, you can have more than one counter melody, okay? I do advise not to go beyond 3 counter melodies most times. So most times like 1 or 2 is just fine, okay? So I'm going to make another counter melody. Okay, so now the beat is sounding good, but it still isn't sounding full yet. So a trick I use to make beats sound full is using ambient melodies. Okay, now these are really simple notes you just play to give it more weight. Okay, so in this production, I'm going to create some more layers of ambient melodies. Okay, you can have like 2, 3, or even 4 layers of ambient melodies, but they have to be simple notes that you play. Okay. After spreading out the beats, we create intros, verses, hook, right? Now let's listen to it and see how it sounds. Get this beat from scbeatstore.com. Click the link in the description. scbeatstore.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Cheers.